Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Vapor YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the Dazzleaf Wax 2 Crystal Vaporizer. It's actually a herbal version, so unlike your actual dab bongs or wax if you wish, this one there is a portable version, so it would fit onto any standard 510 battery, smoke, anything above basically 40 watts. So the optimum range is between 35 and 45 to actually fire this up. Well, so I wouldn't even basically go higher than that. It's got a ceramic basically bowl, so the ceramic obviously helps it burn, but obviously not basic combust, so you're not basically wasting your actual wax, so to speak. It's easy to use. It's got a silicone cover with obviously the Dazzleaf logo and that on it. It's quite neat. This is just a protective sleeve to stop it from being cracked because this is plastic itself. It's also nice and decorative, just like the old smoke models. It's got a ceramic chamber. Just basically pull that off. That's it here. This is your coil. The coil obviously is within. And these are detachable and replaceable because obviously naturally the element, just like a kettle and that, will basically burn itself out and you just change them. Obviously we sell spare coils for these as well. Screw that back onto there as such. So essentially all you do is that you get your titanium nail, put obviously your wax and whatnot in there, and push this back onto there as such. The actual element won't basically glow or anything in that. It'll just heat up. I accidentally touched it a few seconds ago and it was quite hot. Screw that onto your battery. This is an MVP5, the Army Edition. It's got obviously a wee torch and whatnot in it as well. It's asking if a new coil is detected. Yes, it is. I've set it at 35 watt. It's just the minimum temperature. It's better to be cautious than not. So according to the manual, you hold the button down for 3 seconds to hold it, and then you press the button, hold, and then vape. And then obviously when you're finished with it, you just basically clean it out and ready for the next use. Just turn your battery off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it completely off. That's basically it. It's got obviously a nice wee design. You can have this on if you want to when you're vaping. It's obviously completely optional. It's just a design feature, but it looks quite snazzy. Right, bye!